distinguished guests, welcome to the 5th anniversary of the Ready Capital Mortgage Investment Trust, our annual general meeting for all the investors. And tonight, it is truly a pleasure to have each and every one of you here tonight to celebrate the milestone all together. And my name is Maggie. I am so glad to be invited by Christine as MC for this special occasion. 各位尊敬的贵宾、女士们、先生们，大家晚上好！非常欢迎大家来到瑞达按揭投资信托基金的第5届投资人大会。那我们也非常开心的能够和在座的每一位今天晚上共庆我们这个重要的里程碑。我是韩笑，非常开心的受邀主持今晚的主持活动。那么同时呢，我们也希望能够代表我们瑞达投资按揭基金，可以欢迎每一位在座的每一位，也感谢每一位在过去对于我们基金的支持，谢谢你们选择了我们。So today is a celebration for our achievement, our resilience, and our vision for the future. And it is also a great time to celebrate the collective efforts for our teams and the positive impact that we have made for our community. So now, without further ado, let's just welcome our beloved Mayor, Mr. Frank Scarpiti, on stage to share a few words with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Maggie, and welcome to everyone. Ni hao, da jia hao. It is great to be here for this annual. I don't think I've ever gone to an annual general meeting in a movie theater before, so this is a first for me. But I wanted to come by to really congratulate Christine and her team. Ready Capital now celebrating their 5th anniversary, but it's more than just a 5th anniversary. It's the tremendous success that all of you as investors have had since the inception. And really, Christine, I want to congratulate you, and I know your board of trustees and the many people that have helped you not only launch Ready Capital, but have it continue to grow and be successful. But on a personal note, I'm very proud of Christine because she's a local business person here in the city of Markham. Money Brokers opened up an office in Markham, right on Highway 7, about 12 years ago. And I have to say, I just cannot believe all the tremendous success that you've had. And really, I think Christine reflects what so many who come to this country reflect. And that is the opportunity to arrive here in Canada with very little, and yet work hard and be successful. And certainly, well, Christine, you've got gifts coming already. Christine became one of the first financial advisors, Mandarin-speaking financial advisors, and by year 2000 became one of the first Mandarin mortgage brokers in Canada, and has continued to grow her business. And I think the thing that impresses me about Christine as well is not only the business success, but also she always, I think, has the generosity of time. And that's certainly with the people that she works with, certainly with the people that she does business with. And I know that I've seen her in many occasions in different events throughout the community, the time that she gives back as well. So Christine, I want to present a certificate to you, congratulating you on your 5th anniversary. And I would just say, for all the growth that you've had so far in 5 short years, there's a lot more growth to happen. When you take a look at the fact that just here in the Greater Toronto area, over the next 20 years, there'll be somewhere in the neighborhood of 300,000 people coming to the Greater Toronto area. That's incredible growth. And a lot of that growth will be happening in areas like Markham. And that means a lot more people will be buying their first, second, or third home. And everyone knows that all three levels of government are working hard to try and increase the level of housing supply. So thank you to all of you for your belief in Ready Capital. And Christine, to you and your team, congratulations on 5 amazing years.
Thank you, our mayor, for joining us the 5th birthday party and to witness a Canadian dreams come true. And next, as you said, with the 5 years growth, our investors not only living in Markham, but also we have all GTA investors, including Richmond Hill. So due to a work time schedule, that the deputy mayor of the Richmond Hill cannot join us today in person, but he did send the greeting videos. So now let's watch for the VCRs.
I'd like to extend warmest greetings to Christine. Congratulations. Happy 5th anniversary to the Ready Capital Mortgage Investment Trust. You have been doing an excellent job with the team, contributing to this particular industry in mortgage, and I wish you much success, and I wish everyone in attendance tonight a wonderful evening. 在这里，作为日治文山副市长陈树辉和永倩，神圣的祝愿我们的这个徐总5周年的活动圆满的成功。
Thank you, the Deputy Mayor Chen. And now, it is my great pleasure just to invite everyone to put your hands together to invite a very important, the key figures in the success of the story of the Ready Capital Mortgage Investment Trust. Our esteemed COO, our Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Ron Quadra, on stage to have a brief overview of our financial statement.
Thank you, Megan. Good evening, everyone. Again, I want to thank everybody for coming to help celebrate our 5-year anniversary. This year, very special year, as mentioned several times, is our 5-year anniversary. That's 5 years of consistent 8% meeting our targets plus. So great to all the staff, and thank you to all our investors. As at the end of December 31st, so we just completed the financials and it is now available through a website. The return on investment to our investors was 8.07% for 2023. Again, that's 5 consecutive years of exceeding our targets of 8%. Our net asset value held at $100 per unit, and our average LTV of our mortgages in our portfolio is 65%. Assets under management remained fairly flat. However, we enjoyed a 6% growth in our investor accounts through 2023. While we have the growth, it remained flat, mostly attributed to investors redeeming. So we had an abnormal year of redemption, redeeming their funds simply to pay off their higher interest debts, for example, their mortgages and line of credits. I want to thank all our staff, our partners who are here today, and most importantly, to you, our valued investors, for another successful year and another year to continue. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you all for demonstrating consistently leadership, exceptional visionary to steer our company toward a sustainable growth. So thanks for your great effort. And now let's just invite 3 very important persons as well in the success of the Ready Capital Mortgage Investment. Please join me to welcome Mr. Martin Reid. He is the trustee of the Ready Capital MIT, and also the Jonathan Beautry, the president of the Belcom Private Capital Inc., and also the Robert Gligman. He is the counsel of the Ready Capital Corporate. These three gentlemen has been instrumental for the success of us. So would you like to share a few words with us?
Yeah, thank you very much. 2023 has been a very challenging year in the housing and mortgage market, and Christine's team have done a great job in generating a consistent return for 5 years with very little risk, very conservative approach. The mortgage business is very much about numbers, but much more than that, it's about people, and I think Christine has put together a great team, and a great team that's doing a great job today, but will also do a great job in the future. So thank you very much, Christine, and congratulations.
Hi everybody, my name is Jonathan and I'm the president of Belco Private Capital, and we're the exempt market dealer for the Ready Capital Mortgage Trust. I would like to say congrats to Christine for a wonderful 5 years and doing a great job for investors. We're really privileged to have you as a partner, and we wish you much more success in the future. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Robert Kligerman. I've been counsel to the fund since the beginning. And I suppose you could say that investing in a fund is boring because all you want is a steady rate of interest, money in your hand. How easy is that? And the bank, but at the beginning, it takes not just judgment, but skill and expertise and experience. And that's what you find with Christine and the team that she has. So that when they go to work every day, they work very hard at understanding what the investment opportunities are, which ones to take and which ones not to take. That's what results in the excellent returns that you see today. And the fund is 5 years old now, and we've been through one, and we're now going through different economic conditions with different interest rates and different property values. That's where you need the expertise. That's where you need the abilities to know what you should do and what you shouldn't do. And 5 years of consistent returns shows that that's what this fund has. It has that steady management abilities that you can depend on.
Thank you, gentlemen. I know it is a teamwork, so Ron, is that okay that I can invite you back on stage to give your acknowledge to more people?
Okay, I'm just going to call on some people to come up to the front just for the group photo. I'm going to start with Fiona Wade. Come on down. Okay, and the staff of Ready Capital and Money Broker Canada, Mike Quadra, our VP of Underwriting, Patricia Lam, our VP of Sales and Underwriting, Kelly Zhang, Senior Manager, Sales and Exempt Market Dealing Rep, Maggie Ma, our Exempt Market Dealing Rep, Gigi Wang, Marketing Manager and Exempt Market Dealing Rep, Vivian Lau, Mortgage Officer Underwriter, Teresa Tang, Mortgage Officer, Yichi Yang, Bookkeeper Administrator, and last but not least, our new addition, Yishan Kai, our Administrator. If Martin, Robert, and Jonathan, and our mayor, please come on up.
I want to invite Lars Feliz, my son. Max, I think lots of investors knows him, so let's move to the front a little bit. Stay closer. Stay closer. Yeah, stay closer to me.
So can we squeeze a little bit in the center for our cameraman? 那让我们现场的朋友把我们的掌声送给我们这个优秀的团队，好不好？5年，每年连续超过8%的回报率，这个是这个团队送给我们最好的礼物。那也让我们用掌声给他们说一声生日快乐 5周年成功。So one more big smile for even more successful 5 years ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, for the filming guy, please raise your
For the-
hand and be happy, please.
Yes, be happy with the over age returns every year and to continue.
Okay,
So
let's
thank you,
raise your
everyone.
hand. Let's cheer up for them.
Let's cheer up for the delivery,
Rolling
financial
3, 2, 1,
stability.
let's go! Woo! Okay,
Thank
let's
you,
do it one more
everyone.
time. Sorry, let's do it one more time.
Let's read it one more time. There's never enough to celebrate, right?
Yep.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Let's go! The 5 years happy birthday! Thank you, everyone. And now I would like to kindly invite Christine to remain on stage to address the set words with us.
Thank you everybody for coming. It's very exciting day for Ready Capital and a very exciting day for us and for you as our investors. I'm going to do my presentation. This is the first time I don't have something in front of me. This actually echo is very hard to talk with. But I want to read our disclaimer. It's our, every time when we have an investor presentation, since I'm the founder of the fund, I have to have a disclaimer to say the past performance cannot guarantee the future performance. And if you need more information, all the presentation is not for sales purpose. If you need to get to know more about fund, please reach out to our ESM market dealer representative. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. We start our fund in February 2019. And the first year, we have a $10 million raise. Start from zero, first year, $10 million. And we have 130 investors account. And our first year's return, for the fund return, is over 8%. As we targeted return is 8%. The first year is 8.11. And we give extra 25 cents distribution the first year. And then our second year, the third year, the fourth year, the fund continued to grow in assets and also in return and also in the investors. Actually, I want to go back again. So the first year, you can see we have 8.11 return. And the second year is 8.48% for the trust return. And the third year is 8.37%. And the fourth year is, I cannot read it, 8.16. Is that right? Sorry, 8.23%. So we can see the fund has a very healthy growth in terms of the assets and consistent performance. And last year is our fifth year. The fund, we have total 56 million, and the management, we have 580 investors account, and the return is 8.10, still over our target again. And we give 7 cents bonus to each investors. So when you go back to our website, all the financial reports in past 5 years are on our website, and our fund facts, the summary is also on our website. I found it's very hard to tie with the echoes. So, just want to give a visual. Lots of you who started with us 5 years ago, if you invest $100,000 in February 2019 when we start our fund, if you leave the money there, in 5 years' time, we just have our fund facts for March 31st, 2014. This original 100,000, if you leave there to let it grow, to compound, and then taking all this extra bonus, the 100,000 will become 567. So it's over 52% return in the past 5 years. It's better than any GICs you can find. Thank you. So really, I'm very proud. So our 5 years, our total mortgage volume, those are mortgages we lended out, so it's over 161 million. The total interest we pay out to the investors is over 15 million. So every year we surpass the 8% we give, that's our target. Every year we pass that. So our objective is to offer investors a passive, stable, and flexible investment options while with the excellent returns and prioritizing in preservation of investment property. So what is that? So every time as a passive investor, you don't have to worry about your investment, just not like in stocks, right? If you invest in the stock market, you have to really watch the market. But for us, you give us the money, you don't have to worry about it's a passive investment. And also the stable return. So every month, you can have a fixed returns. Right now, based on 8% target returns, so every month you will receive the fixed returns. And also it's very flexible because anytime you need the money, you can give us a 2 months notice, you can withdraw the money. Unlike a GIC, the money is locked. So for this, anytime you need the money, give us a 2 months notice. And our goal is try very hard to preserve your investment capital. And our motto is delivering financial stability. Using a Chinese, we say 稳健财富月月盈，就是要很稳定的，而且能够看得见，因为每个月都有 statement， 而且呢每个月你可以拿到利息。所以是稳健财富月月盈，这是我们的 motto. So to summarize, so our features, first of all, is the security. We invest only in mortgages, only in Ontario mortgages so far. So every investment we made are mortgages in Ontario. And flexibility, the money is not locked in. You can give us a 2 months notice, you can withdraw the money. And high return, we're very proud. We beat all the GIC in the market. So past 5 years, every year we pass our target, our 8% return. And monthly distributions. So the interest is a fixed return. So we do a fixed return monthly based on 8% of target. You can leave the money in the fund. We do automatically compounding for you, or you can take the money out as your cash flow. And the multiple options will welcome GICs. Oh, sorry. Will welcome RSP, tax-free saving account, cash account as a personal account or corporation account. And we're very proud, all our original partners, they are still here. So you already met a few of them. So all the trustees are here, Ron and Martin, and Belco is here, Jonathan is here, and our auditor, Siegel, is here. And so we're using the same administrator. We're using Olympia Trust as our registered account administrator. Our lawyer, internal counsel, Robert Kligerman is here. And we're still using the same law firm, AUN. And also, within your gift bag today, you see this same poster. So we never really have an open house before. So next month, we're going to have an open house in our office for the brokerage, Money Broker Canada, and for Ready Capital. So please save the day for open house. And also in the gift bag, you can see some golf sleeves and golf socks and some golf ball holders. It's for our charity golf foundation, golf tournament in July 16. So save your date. Very happy if you can participate in this charity golf tournament. It's for raising money for Alzheimer's Society. This is our third year. So, how do I do with the time? Okay, so because after the presentation, it's going to be a movie. So we will want to give some time for people to go to using a washroom or something. If anybody have questions, I can take some questions. What's the time? So yeah, if anybody have questions, you're welcome to come for us for some questions. Otherwise, we're taking a break and then we have enjoy a very hot Chinese movie. Thank you.